Today, we'll discuss what to do if your car breaks down on the highway. As soon as you notice an issue, signal, and carefully pull over to the shoulder or a safe spot. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Assess your situation. If it's a minor issue, like a flat tire, and you can fix it safely, do so. Otherwise, stay in your car to avoid the risk of an accident. Call for help. If you have roadside assistance, give them a call. Otherwise, dial local non-emergency numbers or a nearby tow truck service. Make your vehicle visible. If you have them, place warning triangles or flares about 50 feet behind your car to alert approaching drivers. Stay calm and patient while waiting for help to arrive. Keep your seatbelt on and lock the doors. If you must exit the vehicle, do so on the side away from traffic. When help arrives, communicate your situation clearly and provide necessary information, such as your location and vehicle description, to ensure a quick resolution. Remember, safety comes first when dealing with a breakdown on the highway. Drive safe, and see you next time.